Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your CMF Phone 1. So as you know, the charger is not included in the box, but there's a cable. But you can also use any other cable. You don't have to use an original cable. So in my case, I'm using this cable from USB-C to the USB-A from my old Huawei phone. And also I'm using the old Huawei charger. This one. And it works fine. It just charged my phone. So as you know, we can just plug it here, then the brick into the electricity, and then connect this into the USB-C port. But also, if you don't have charging brick, you can connect this cable straight to other devices, like for example into your laptop, into your game console, even into your TV, or for example into the second smartphone. With the double USB-C port, you are able to actually recharge the Nothing phone by using this second smartphone, and I'm going to show you how it actually works. There we go. Now plug it here at the bottom into the second phone, and as you can see, it's actually start charging. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.